welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out for latest, and this is what she had to say. Guys, now, I don't know what latest did to her, but she is giving it to latest. And she had a few things to say about, you know, someone else. And so you have to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say and why she's saying these things. Go ahead and catch the video, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. All the people who are here celebrating their lovely birthdays today, have yourselves a wonderful day, and I wish you joy, peace, love, happiness, prosperity throughout this, your beautiful year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my followers, yes, you, have yourselves a beautiful day. And remember, you have one life to live. Keep smiling and don't let anyone take the smile off your face. Remember, they can only do that if you allow them to. And remember, Marcia has her business. Go check it out. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Dirty pussy ladies, come over here. So a long time in address you. Careless girl, sell pussy ladies, so you may talk to. We go fuck the man we come from foreign and Miss Richie funeral. We get money. Cause you broke no blood clot. Who you talking to? Me tell you if you call my name, dirty girl. What make you not go get some money and go fix your fucking spoil mouth will look like how when pussy spoil? What you over there call up my name for? Dirty girl, me not tell you if you not black about me. Careless. Germs the pussy girl. Me not tell you if you call my name out. Me not tell you if you call my name out. Me hear say she over there say, good for me. The boy should have licked me or something like that. Me or something like that, me hear, you know. Good for me. Me hear somebody talk that on Facebook. Your day will come in a girl. Your day will come when hungry you bite your blood clot and YouTube take on a channel. I'm going to see how no get. Remember say government not give up no food, you know. The only food they go and get is a blood clot dog food. You have to go buy chicken food for chicken feed for name. A day go and come mark my 10. Facebook now cause upset here, you know. Cause you not do no contents for yourself. You know is a fucking thief. That's how somehow no Jamaica walk and do and thief people content. Use a fucking thief, bitch. You can't talk to me. Use a thief. Your thief just like on a blood clot master. Use a fucking thief. You not do no content for yourself. You no walk around and take contents from me. Without me shit, you no blood clot name, bitch. Spoil pussy face latest me a chat to you. Me not ready for chin it. Tomorrow me come for you. Dopey girl. Can the bad know what you look like? When if I feel a picture that are the girl pussy where you suck at night time. But me see where the girl latest look like. Me come for you. But me let me deal with that little dirty Ramstead sell pussy girl here before she come on YouTube. A man batter up. Drop from this to this. You can't come talk to Marcia. You can't come talk to Marcia kiss ass girl where you walk a lit down a body. Fucky girl. We fuck out the man we come at the funeral. You can't talk to nobody. Who you is? You ain't nobody. Don't call me name out. People them text me in a WhatsApp and over there glorify what happened yesterday. And over there wish them are, or if me they ever dead, them will celebrate. Well, celebrate. Come here, guy even. Any day me dead, me a go heaven, so you fucking me want you to celebrate. All I want to celebrate, come in a go hell. It is a celebration. It is a celebration. When time me dead and gone from this earth, yes, the blood clot celebrate. Me want me people them put on one piece of dance in there. Me don't want no fucking crying at my funeral. Me want pay dancing and all kind of revival and something because of heaven me going. You a got blood clot hell back way, front way, side way. Coupon you. Coupon, you don't even know to speak. You have undeveloped trachea in your blood clot short hole. Your tube them don't even develop yet. Look how you sound for a young girl. You sound like you have parasite near blood clot short hole for the amount of pussy clot dick where you suck at Jamaica to survive until you come on YouTube and you call my name to get like a bomb clot money. What making you go a doctor? Go see if them scrape out the parasite them and your blood clot mouth. If they want a dick where you sell. And suck. Where you buy? Who you talking to? Look how you sound. And chew. And chew, guys. And chew. Chew me pussy clot. You need to go chew upon some blood clot penicillin. For the germs, do I mean your blood clot show dirty girl latest. You may a chat too. That's you me talking to. You need some penicillin in your blood clot short hole and some medication. You bumbo clot me a talk to latest. Your mama, I don't, the way you come out, it look like your mama suck hood and sperm to get you pregnant. Come in and know it look like say we in a barn. Your mama, they close her pussy for your neck. Where you could even breathe properly. So that's where you come out. Not you, guy. I'm here to tell you now. You know the girl, she is a one son. And my auntie is go. Bomba clot, idiot girl. Go get some penicillin for your blood clot short. I pay a dirty sperm in that. Where you walk a suck foreign man hood. And a rob man money. I'll not come on social media look fucking man. We plan car give on a man where they are foreign have the woman. Where man a trick on no. Promise you if you come married to and carry no come a blood clot foreign. Bitch ass girl turn down until God bless you with a visa. Cause the man now come married to you. Just like how you get there look ugly girl. Come to Jamaica, come fuck her for 1 week straight and put her out a door. Carry her, go let her off to a friend house and come back a man yard. Man have her out a door. And so time you forget that. Me sorry saying you get it. I sorry say I never you get that. Don't call me name out. Me not like you. Don't call me name out. Don't call me name out. I read a comment. Eh? Achoo, man. My auntie, this is my auntie that you don't have the fucking auntie. You don't have nobody. All you have is a blood clot hog. You don't have nobody. And your fucking incense daddy will fuck you off a night time. That is it. You don't have no fucking body. Bitch. Don't call me name out. You, me talking blood clot, dirty pussy, latest. You me chatting. Underprivileged, dirty gyal. You me talking to. Bleach out, warring gyal. And you me a blood clot chat too. Stinking pussy. Where you have clog up in a blood clot tight shorts. Where you walk a trick man a foreign to send money come give you. You, me a talk to. Spoil pussy mouth latest and you may talk to. Germs girl latest and you may a blood clot chat to. You see your fucking lip kin up like any blood clot barracuda. You me talking to. You same one. You look a bleach out girl. You me talking to. And develop vice box and you may chat to. You me talking to. You me talking to. You said one where over there wish me bad. You said one. A long time me dey pa my name for over here and something. You me talking to. You see your fucking face I get blow up like a them blood clot when bees bite you. Eh? You see your face? You see when you come on social media you never look so. But you collect a little money if you buy one good food, put in a little rusty, dirty, worrying body. You come and show off yourself because the fucking little few non-emancipated blood clot plank come over there and support you. You come up here with my name every day, every day. Don't call me name out. I'm not ready for the one, Chinette. I will come back for you tomorrow. Or maybe Monday after, whatever. I will come back for you. I will surely come back for your dirty chin. You dirty slimy chin, we are going like say, you is Miss Slow reincarnation. You're not fucking funny. You're not ready yet. I will come back for you at the time. I will come for you 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. I will come back for you one other day. I surely will. You come and know say all I will know for you. Me not ready to deal with the boy. With little batty boy we sit down at Jamaica. Me not go waste my time for him. Me not ready for it. Him time will come. But me I deal with you. And me I deal with Ranella. Tell your fucking husband. Walk and go on about him business. Tell him say him no privileged boy. And him don't have no fucking white skin and he's not a born American. You make sure you let him know that him is not a born American. Him is a crusty black Jamaican. We migrate here. And him have a daughter. Stay out of pussy business. Cause him have a rusty piece of workless dick we have on him foot. You see him look like white squalor bite, you know. Look like you know suffer from blood clot malnutrition. Before he did chat and talk about house and this and that, tell him to go buy one house. Ask me for a female house that in there Brooklyn, can show me the title. Come and tell him if you go find good blood clot curtain put in window before he chat me. Go find good curtain put up in fucking window. Go and find good curtain. Because if me live in New York and Brooklyn, we have more bashment curtain than that. Go and find good curtain. Them the curtain they outdated. Nobody now really use curtain. We push rod in and we use one with the hole. We now push the little one with the drape up. Nobody now really use that one again. Our old people use them one day. We use rods with the big iron hole. Tell him to go fix up his theme house. Tell him if he want to come cuss about house and whatever, never seen them house. Tell him if he come do a video of theme blood clot like a patch up house we have a Brooklyn or wherever him live. Tell him if he can do a video and show me inside the house. All I want to know where talk go show me video live now. Tell that little dirty boy if he come show me in the house. When him talk about living. You understand? Tell him say me, my one is line out with pretty carpet and elevator. All the way up to 11th floor. All the way up to 11th floor. You understand? Me not have to worry about no gun or fire over my head. No. Me have focus no guess I work all. One of the church sister them from the church. But me not talk to her right now. Me a mad spirit. Yes, me dear. Me not got no church tomorrow. Because I was behaving myself. Yeah. Who you think you're talking to about? Go fight over? To what? Me see that one that come out in my show step. He can't even climb step. He can't even climb step good. Unless I come and tell me spirals, stairs, something. And she just used to. I was calling for the sheet. Are you coming to church tomorrow? Okay. All right then. I will answer her back. Can't even climb fucking stairs. And I put camera up on stairs. What you know about stairs? Are people here, they go see one little stairs and put up stairs in a house. And then have a fucking nerve to put up camera and talk about stairs. What a bumbo clot? You can't even climb stairs good with them the fucking big knee the way you have. And have the nerve for say stairs. And me grew up with stairs. Me grew up with stairs. Now from me come America, up here stairs me I climb. My mother have a spiral stairs go straight up to the 3rd floor. Dirty girl, me grew up in a stairs. Spiral stairs go all the way up from the 1st floor, go all the way up straight up to the attic, way up in the air, up there. Every floor of 3 to 4 bedroom. You go up, you come on the 1st floor, let me see how much floor up there. You have the foyer. You have a big walk-in closet when you enter through the door. We used to go in and go hide. It could look like a one twin bedroom. Could have a twin bedroom set in our closet there. When you enter into the living room, we have a big living room, and then you go to the garden with the flowers. Then you enter this out. There's the big dining room where we have big dinner. You walk this, so you see the kitchen, big kitchen. You walk to the back, you see the bathroom, and 3 bedroom. You left this out, You go downstairs, you have a bathroom down there, you have a boiler room down there, you have a washroom down there, and you have 2 bedroom down there and a big ass living room stretched all the way down. You left from there, so you go up to the second floor. You have 1, 2, 3 bedroom, 1 dining room, 4 bedroom, a 4 bedroom. I'm seeing it back. 1, 2, 3. You have a bedroom in the front when you walk up the stairs. You have the dining, you have the living room where you enter in. You have the big dining room. You go around at the back and there's 3 room and the kitchen. You left from there, so you go right up, all the way up the stairs in the attic, in the top part. There is 2 rooms up there. A big dining room and a kitchen. Then who you telling about stairs? I that me grew up in I grew up into a 3 family house in Astoria, Queens. You can't tell me nothing. My mother was the first black woman who ever bought a house there. You understand? Me grew up at Astoria Boulevard, across from the Shea Stadium. We walk across the street. The house value $1 million now. Google that blood clot. When my mother sold that house in 2012, it was sold for $800,000. I that me grew up in. Now it's on Google for $1 million. One must be $100 fee be $1 million. Bitch, you can't tell me nothing about living and places. Me grew up in a peer residential and peer good place. Connecticut are the worst fucking house me ever can live in. From me move to Connecticut and live in Woodland Village. Now me live in a nice place. Now me live in a nice place now. You understand? Don't fuck yourself with me. You are never see come see. You can't tell me nothing about neighborhood and you can't tell me nothing about house. When it comes to me, don't even talk about the type of houses them that I work into and get the privilege to go into for years. Some be that blood clot mansion. You understand? You know, experience them the sort of life there. And from me in my 20s and 80s, me in a jacuzzi. Me don't know who you talk to. You come all in a bathroom and show a tub. Nobody now wants to see your fucking bathtub will look like from Beauty and the Beast. When a business with a bathtub, you need jacuzzi. Don't you big fatter, you need your body need tired and need some little water. What make you never have one bathtub? What make you never put one blood clot big jacuzzi in the way water can beat your left, right, and center to beat out the fucking fat them and the pain them out of your body? Because I know you must have feel pain. What make them that if you go show off for me for? And that bun me no mess with myself. Then this girl I show this a fucking bathroom will look like Beauty and the Beast. Then nobody no care about the blood clot bathtub. You can't even come out of it. I don't understand how the fuck you want bathtub like that and you can't go in there, you can't come out. Me know saying hard if you go into that blood clot bathtub, too somebody have to help you up. Your fucking foot can't even go over it good. Or the bathtub taller than you. And you come up here and show off for me. You forget this. You fi put in your place. You can't even go into the fucking bathtub. Me know say if you call the boy. What the boy name? I'm Paul if you put your blood clot in that Ross. And you come up here trouble me. And you can't fit in that fucking bathtub. You cannot fit in there. Where the space is? Where the space fit in that bath? How you going to reach in there? That bath is just in there for style. It's just in there for style. You can't come out of that blood clot good. You have to get help to go in there. So try to take you out and put one jacuzzi in there. No, you can't show off for me. Show off for people no blood clot used to nothing. Me never even know. I told them I watch one blogging channel, you know. And me hear them put up my name and me I look at me and say, but wait, me never know so far you go. And because you want to show people else, you cannot show people in the place there. I place that. Me give her one little credit for the decoration and me say she never do bad. I mean I take it back. But that is not